He dicho. He dicho. He dicho. Dicho comes from the verb decir. Okay, so this is a very good one too. It reminds me of Fez from that 70s show. Yeah, that's a show. He dicho. He dicho, similar to saying, or the meaning is I said, but it's very similar to saying period. Okay, he dicho, period. Or when Fez used to say, I said good day, kind of situation, you know, it's like you're done saying whatever you're saying, and that's it, period. So this is a good one for sure. Let's look at an example. No vamos a ir a la fiesta. No vamos a ir a la fiesta. He dicho. Okay, so you can use this little phrase. I don't know why I'm saying little words, little word, little phrase. I don't know. I'm sorry. But this is a very good phrase. You can use it at the beginning of the sentence or at the end. You can say, he dicho que. You need que. If you place it at the beginning of the sentence, you need to use que. Okay? He dicho que no vamos a ir a la fiesta. Okay? Or if you use it at the end, oh my God. This is the letter Q, by the way. But if you use he dicho at the end of a sentence, then you don't need que. Okay? He dicho, no vamos a ir a la fiesta. He dicho. This means, let's look at what it means. We are not going to the party, I said. Okay, so it's similar to that as well. If you say, I said that we're not going to the party. So it's a very literal translation of he dicho, but you can use it if you want to say period, if you want to say that's it. No, there's no way you can change my mind. I said what I said. You can use this phrase for that, for sure, in those situations. Now let's break this down really quickly. No vamos. It's like saying nosotros no vamos, but we don't need nosotros. Nosotros means we, so we don't need it. No vamos, we are not going. That's what it means. No vamos. And then vamos a means, this is a very common thing to say, vamos a la playa, vamos a la fiesta. When you're saying no vamos a, you're saying we're not going to ... Okay? Another interesting thing, when we have ir twice in this sentence, but it's a common thing to say in Spanish as well. You don't necessarily need ir here. No vamos a la fiesta. And that's good. You're literally saying we're not going to the party. But sometimes people in Spanish say this. No vamos a ir a. So essentially you're saying ir, or to go twice in the sentence. No vamos a ir a. No vamos a ir a la fiesta. No vamos a ir a la playa. No vamos a ir al trabajo. No vamos a ir a ... Okay? And that means we're not going to as well. As I said before, you don't need ir a here. No vamos a la fiesta. And that's good. Simple. And it's good. but this happens as well in Spanish. Okay. So, la fiesta. La fiesta means the party. Okay, very simple. He dicho. I said my last thought, pretty much. I said it. Okay, it's done. You're not gonna change my mind, period. So this is a very good phrase. I like it. I said good day. Similar to that. I said good day. So don't talk to me anymore. That's it. It's a very funny thing to say. Okay.